We are here at the Vietnam School of Physics, more particularly on particle physics, astroparticle, and cosmology. This is the 20th edition. The first one was organized in 1994 in Dalat. The school is organized by Rencontres du Vietnam with support from international organizations like ICTP in Italy and APCTP in Korea, and of course of several Vietnamese institutions, universities, and research centers. The students come from Vietnam, about 20 of them, and 10 of them from neighboring countries like Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, India, and even Sri Lanka. The professors are coming from Europe, from Asia, so like Japan, Korea, and Vietnam. At this particular school, we have 2 professors from Vietnam who 10 years ago were students at the school. So we are very happy to welcome them as teachers at this school.
So we highly appreciate Tân Thanh Vân to start this kind of school in Vietnam, and we also thank Patrick Orange. He have been devoted 20 years for the school, and he has done a lot for the school. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Afiq Aizuddin Anwar. I come from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I'm glad to have participated in the VSOP 20 as I have been learning a lot of many new things, and I've known many friends who share the same interests as me, and the professors have been very helpful so far. Also, Vietnam has been a very nice country with many pleasant experience, and as this is my first visit to this country, it has been a very interesting experience. Thank you.
My name is Nguyen Hoan Đại Nghĩa. I'm from University of Ho Chi Minh City, and we are from the same university, and thanks to this VSOP school, we are able to meet a lot of students who share the same passion in physics like us. And besides that, we have a chance to meet the professor who can guide us and teach us a lot of things. Very interesting, and to help us have a direction so that we could study. We know where we will go in the future.
He took everything that I want to say, but this school is very, very best in my opinion. I learned a lot of things from a lot of the professors, which I never been taught in school. Moreover, the environment here is very friendly. The students get interact with the professors during the lunch, the breakfast, and ask them many things. Not only studying.
By now, for now, I'm working in Karlsruhe at a postdoc in particle physics, and I'm teaching at this school. I think this school is very important because it's important for the young people, for the students to learn particle physics, and then they can go abroad to do a PhD, and then maybe later they will come back to Vietnam to work as a physicist. And for me, my story is 10 years ago, I was a student at this school, and then Patrick Orange helped me to get a fellowship to go to NNC to do my PhD. And then after my PhD in France, I go to Germany to do postdocs.
So hi, I am Sabyasachi, and I am from India. So it's been an honor and a great privilege for me to participate in this VSOP 20. I have participated in quite a few number of schools, but this is to me it's special because of the nature of interaction with the teachers and faculties that I found here. Even in the dinner table, I mean, I see they make sure that one teacher sits in every table so that they can interact with people, and the whole experience has been wonderful. The interaction with the students, the excursion, it has been a cheerful experience, and I will cherish it.
My name is Hoàng Thị Hà from Institute of Physics, Hanoi, Vietnam. I study nuclear physics, in particular nuclear structure. Well, so you will ask why I attend this school. So actually, I'm interested in neutrino standard model and root simulation, but my purpose of attending this school is to enable work as an active member of international collaboration in field of physics, and also make contribution with the other participants. So the VSOP 20 is a very open scientific program, and then I met many leading professors who very kindly, and then we discussed very friendly and freely, and also the other participants will share the many unforgettable memories. So thank you very much, the organizer, for giving us this great opportunity, and thank you very much, the professor, the lecturer who give us many interesting lectures, and also thank you very much.
Now the Vietnam School of Physics, something quite unique, because 20 years ago a group of European physicists led by Jean Tran Thanh Van and Patrick Orange decided to start a conference of the kind of postdoctoral conferences that we have in Europe to very high professional standards, and to have that in Vietnam. And to a large extent we copied an existing school which is between Belgium, the Netherlands and Germany, where there is a big emphasis put on exercises, on practical work for the students, and for this reason the school is to extend over 2 weeks. We started very modestly in Dalat, which has the advantage of being a very temperate situation in Vietnam, with a very nice temperature all year round. And the school has moved between various cities in Vietnam, often based in cooperation with local universities. One of the important things of this school is it is in close contact with local teachers, with local students, but also attracts, and its purpose, students for a very wide area in the Southeast Asia. This year, for example, we have students from Thailand, but even from India coming, from Indonesia, and it has become famous for this reason. It is also a school which is given in the same time at very professional level, but also with very personal attention to the students, and very much in the moral spirit which was the one of the Rencontres de Morion, which Tran Thanh Van founded nearly 50 years ago. Very much in that spirit, these schools make sure that all the participants live together to a large extent. That means that we take all the meals with the students, and that's actually the occasion where they are the most likely to start asking pointed questions, or even they dare to ask also any question which comes in their mind, which is very important to work in a relaxed atmosphere for this purpose. And I must say that it also, not only does it attract students from a wide area, but also the list of teachers over the 20 years of the school, or even in any single year, is quite impressive, because it covers a very large field in theoretical physics, and also with some experimental physics thrown in, and also a very large number of nationalities, including in particular Japan, which has a very great interest in both in particle physics and in this region.
I'm very happy to be here as a lecturer. This is my first visit to Vietnam, and I found that the students from not only Vietnam but other countries, they are very eager to learn something, new things, and they make lots of questions, and a kind of interactive sessions will be held, and it's I'm really happy that those new young people will study and do research in particle physics in the future.